Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Face mask. Face mask is put in sniffing morning position. The size of the face mask is 00 to 06. Disadvantages of face mask. Face mask is tiring. It increases the dead space and it results in wasted ventilation and thus it increases the theater pollution. Face mask will also result in aspiration. So disadvantages of face mask is it is tiring, it increases the dead space ventilation and it results in um, wasted ventilation and it also results in aspiration. Face mask is put in morning sniffing position. Size is 00 to 06. It increases the dead space, wasted ventilation, and aspiration is seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.